Hello and welcome to a new Python tutorial. In a previous episode we learned how to read CSV files using the Pandas library. But what happens if the file we're reading is not perfect and maybe contains some blank spaces, for example? Well, that's why we're here today. As the title of the video suggests, today we're going to learn how to clean up a dataset using the Pandas library. As you can see here, we have the code we developed last time, except that if I run it, you can see on the right-hand side that the dataset now has an empty line represented by nan values. To remove the line, all we have to do is write df2 equals df dot drop na, and then print df2. And if we run the code, we can see that it has successfully removed the unwanted line. However, what if instead we wanted to replace the old data frame with a cleaned one, instead of creating a second variable called df2? Well, we can simply write df.dropNa, and then inside we write inPlace equals true. And then underneath we obviously print df. And by running the code again, we can see that the data frame has indeed been replaced with a cleaned version. Finally, what if we only want to clean one column of our data frame and not the entire thing? Again, all we need to write is df2 equals df, for example, speed dot drop na, and then print df2. As you can see, in this case we had to create a new data frame, as each column in a single data frame must always contain the same number of values. Consequently, keeping the original data frame as we did in the previous example was not an option. Now what if instead of deleting an empty row, we wanted to replace the empty values with another number? Well, that's a topic for next week's video. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, as well as check out my previous tutorials and coding challenges. As always, I look forward to seeing you again next week, and until then, happy coding!